CX semi-automatic vertical filling machine plus 100-liter capacity heating mixing tank for coffee beverage. Machine is designed for a coffee beverage supplier from Australia. The whole set machine consists of semi-automatic filling machine, 100-liter of 3 layers electric heating tank with stirrer, stainless steel 316 filter for coffee powder, food-grade suction pump and stainless steel 316 tubes. Using world-famous electronic accessories and pneumatic accessories. Fully stainless steel design, beautiful and durable. Heating tank is 3 layers design, big power heating rod, adjustable speed stirrer. Inner layer is made of stainless steel 316, outer layer is made of stainless steel 304. Filter for coffee powder is easy to clear and easy to change. Machine is CE certificate and meets the GMP standard. 2 years long time warranty offered, worry-free for you to purchase. Filling machine is using stainless steel 316 piston filling system, adjustable filling capacity. Manual and automatic 2 operation mode, high speed and high accuracy filling. Factory direct, and we have more than 10 years packing machines manufacturing experience. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to contact us for further information. CX Pack, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.